Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling the hardware and removing barriers. First, open Device Manager and locate Human Interface Devices. Enable any HID-compliant touchscreen entries. Once done, make sure Windows is up to date so drivers install cleanly. You should also remove screen protectors or thick cases that reduce sensitivity and plug the laptop into power to avoid sleep during calibration. These steps address the why drivers and unobstructed glass are required for reliable touch responses, so touch works predictably as you continue. Now you calibrate and tune responsiveness. Open tablet PC settings and run the calibration tool, following the crosshair prompts so the system maps touch accurately. This fixes offset or ghost touches. Then adjust sensitivity and gesture controls in settings so taps and swipes match your intent. If touch feels laggy, update display and HID drivers via Lenovo Vantage or Device Manager. Reinstalling a driver can clear corrupted settings. By calibrating, configuring gestures, and refreshing drivers, you make touch both precise and predictable. Finish by verifying touch across apps. Test taps, multi-touch pinch to zoom, and rotation in several programs so you confirm consistency. Once everything looks right, restart the laptop to finalize driver installs and settings. If touch still misbehaves, run the Windows hardware and devices troubleshooter to detect conflicts and make sure no physical damage or debris is present on the glass. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable and re-enable the HID-compliant touchscreen in Device Manager. This often clears driver hangs and restores normal touch behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.